Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Blinkit and signing in so the app recognizes your account and wallet. Once done, make sure the gift card code is copied accurately. A single mistyped character causes failure. You head straight to account, then wallet or cart where Blinkit stores payments. This matters because adding there links value to orders automatically. You don't need to navigate settings. Instead, focus on the wallet page so you can redeem the code as the first transactional step. You paste the gift card code into the redeem field and press apply. This is where Blinkit validates value and expiry. Once applied, notice the displayed balance and whether it's locked to wallet or order credits, because that affects checkout use. If the amount is partial, Blinkit will show remaining balance for future orders. Make sure your app is updated so validation works smoothly, and if you see an error, double-check code, formatting immediately before retrying to avoid. You proceed to checkout and choose wallet or gift card as a payment method so Blinkit deducts from your redeemed balance. Once selected, verify the final total because some items like convenience fees might not be covered. If only part of the order is covered, choose split payment with card or UPI for the remainder. If the balance doesn't appear, make sure you logged into the same account used to redeem, and if issues remain, contact Blinkit support with a screenshot and order details for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.